So we're in the midst of the town at the moment, and it's just okay. Well, those are the bathrooms. Yeah, and this is just like the food court area, and then the rest of the town. I don't know if you can see the expanse of tents and stuff. Hello again.
Hello. Some memories.
Exactly, making memories. The food is actually super high quality, and the price is not bad. There's like a casino and stuff down that way. Begging. You can go down to like stalls and stuff and buy like armor, and there's kind of a lot of taverns and stuff down that way. It's officially in time at the moment though, so just walking along you could get attacked and beaten up or killed. And something I really want to experience is when you get killed, you go to like the underworld, which is like it's called the Limbus, but you have to go through a pitch black maze while getting chased by ghosts. And it's supposed to actually be kind of scary. So there we have the graveyard that you come out of the Limbus.
And a creepy little woman. Sitting.
And here we have the playing fields just expanding before us. And it looks like we're under attack.
Oh, God damn it.
But if you're under attack, your gate won't open. So you're not allowed in until the battle's over. There's the Orc Camp up there. I'm really hoping to get some footage from there later. But they're very restrictive about letting people see what they do in there, because it kind of ruins the mystique if you know. And out this way we have the Gold Camp, which is our camp, and we'll get a bit closer in a second. There's all kind of politics involved, and like one camp will trick another and create an alliance with this one, and it's kind of hard to keep up with, but it's very interesting. You might attack someone who has a really small army, and all of a sudden 2,000 soldiers come across the field from one of their allies, and you're just not ready for it. Yeah, literally 2,000 soldiers. Pretty awesome when you're there. It's pretty scary, but it's pretty awesome when you're standing in front of it. And it's also supposed to get to what, 40 degrees today, so I'll probably be a puddle on the ground by about 7 o'clock. But yeah, here are our forces. We'll try to get a little close up here.
Einreihen, ich werde jetzt hier ein paar Leute abziehen und dann...
Don't want to get in the front of these guys. No. We're in Gold Camp at the moment, and the head of our group, the Grand Expedition, is actually the main head of the army for the entire Gold Camp. So if even any slight little battle happens outside the gate, which you can see over there, just this thing here, anything even small happens out there, he gets alerted straight away and brought out, so he kind of tends to be very busy. But yeah, I'll show you around the camp. Everyone's kind of sitting around relaxing at the moment because it's fairly hot, so it's kind of tough to do things in the heat. But that's why I'm sweating like crazy.
Like cow and where? So with a G for the cow?
Oh, okay. Gower.
So Gower.
Okay.
But like most Germans can't get the
Okay.
Some individuals of very similar appearance might have attended even some previous events in the land that's called Croatia.
And we need to see if anybody's seen Nina.
no one's seen Nina.
They have a good time.
So that's kind of the basis for the camp, the main like social area. We have tents and stuff just miles down that way. So I had to go one day without any cameras or anything. So I missed, probably there was some very cool stuff. Like there was an opening ceremony, which I was told was going to be boring. Turned out to be awesome. Remember when I said there was an orc camp at the top? Well, they're just completely barbaric and they actually are quite scary in person. But this kind of tribal dance that was about water and stuff was going on, and then you just hear this roar from the Orc Camp. And it was really thick fog out, and so we weren't sure where it came from. And you look up and you see this orange light emanating from the Orc Camp, and another one, and another one, and another one. And they got their entire troop out the front of their camp with torches, like fire torches. And they had this big fire like ring up, doing some kind of ritual, and like smashing their shields and stuff. You could hear everyone in the crowd collectively go, "Oh shit." That was probably my favourite moment from this whole thing so far, and I couldn't film it because I had no camera equipment. I've been talking to some of the refs, and there's a chance I might get to film up in the Orc Camp later, so hopefully that'll be really worthwhile. We're on the hunt for some mead, and we've already got one bottle of it. Because you can't exactly come to something like this and not drink mead. For those of you who don't know what mead is, it's a honey wine. And for people who are like, ugh, I hate wine, it doesn't taste like normal wine. It tastes just badass. It's just so, it's too easy to drink. We drank about 4 bottles. When we first got here, within half an hour of getting here, we drank 4 bottles of mead, and the entire tavern was singing along and just having fun with us within an hour of getting here. That's how cool this place is. Yeah, we're gonna look for a couple more different bottles from different places, try them out and see which is the best.
How much?
9.
9? For all? This, I got this different shop.
Ah, classic, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's the Thor one. That seems quite fitting.
Alle.
Yeah. Well, which you get me drunk quicker?
So.
Danke. Yeah, well, which one is this? Right here. Yeah, I'll get a bottle of that.
So we found one shop that has 1 or 2 bottles of mead that they might sell us. Not that many, is it? It has kind of been raining all day. My hair is in a freaking terrible state now because just the weather, everything, and sweating. Good news is I have permission to go up to the Orc Camp now, and I'm going to head up and film what I can. Hopefully they'll be doing something really cool, so we're going to head up now.
Alle!
Alle! Dies war ihre Waffe. Ein wenig klein, aber vielleicht habt ihr noch ein wenig Spaß damit.
Die wird sie schmecken.
Wer geht Champatona?
Was ist mit dem? Nein.
In ihrer Tasche irgendeine Flasche, die ich nicht identifizieren konnte.
Warum hat ihr sie nicht abgenommen?
Weil sie nicht an ihre Tasche dran kam, solange ich sie festhalte. Aber für Leute wie euch ohne Vorwand.
Wie viele sollen wir doch mitnehmen?
Ja, alle mit.
Dann Brot! Jack!
Denn ich bringe die Ehre entgegen.
Hab Dank. Weiter geht's!
Oh, lass nicht stehen! Der Wort gesprochen. Ich sie abschießen, wenn sie weiter weg. Der Wort hat sie stehen lassen.
Nimm! Jetzt kann ich
Feder. Zeichen mal. Bündnis, scheinbar, nochmal.
Sie hat auch keine mehr.
Ein Wunsch sprechen. Du solltest langsam anfangen, um dein Leben zu fliehen mit ein paar wichtigen Informationen.
Nicht viel heißt, du weißt etwas, also sprich. Los, lauter!
Grüne mit Hilfe von Grau und Silber ein Stößer bei Rot beibringen wollten und dass sie dafür das silberne und graue Banner zurückholen wollten. Aber das war schon vor Stunden. Nicht gut genug.
Nichts Wichtiges.
Mein Gott, willst du sie leiden sehen? Was ist mit dem Wissen über den Weg, Leute? Wieder gut zu machen. Du hast nicht doll genug draufgehauen, sie lacht dich aus, hä?
Nein, ich lache nicht auf.
Das Auto wird dich schlagen, bis sie richtig lacht.
Bitte.
Das geht ja zu dritt. Der Gorn hat dich gefragt, woran er erkennen kann, dass du zurückkommst.
Antwort endlich!
Ich verspreche.
Du kannst kein Versprechen geben, was das wir uns verlassen werden.
Ich brauche Gijak dafür. Wichtiges Gijak. Eures. Oder das von jemand anderem.
Dann hol das von jemand anderem.
Ja. Dann sag mir wen. Gut. In den Mund. Das sollte genügen. Gijak Batura!
Gijak Batura!
Und den Ruhm des alten Blutes dort raus und den Nidajori zu tragen und sie damit in Angst und Schrecken zu versetzen. Diese drei sind ab jetzt ein Teil der Baikiras. Und sie sind dafür da, um dort unten die Jack zu verbieten! Tragt das Banner mit Ehre. Es wird euch gleich ausgehändigt. Wenn ihr es beschmutzt oder entehrt, werden wir eure Köpfe nehmen. Und ihr werdet in Schmerzen und in Qualen unter meiner Axt den Tod finden. Möge das Abschlachten beginnen! Ist das alles gut? Bring ihn zusammen.
Hier ist ein Eingang, da kann er raus, hä? Liegt dann in den Weg.
Damit wären 2 Prüfungen absolviert. Den Rest werde ich euch im Ratsrund erzählen. Ja, sehr gut. Ja, guck mal.
So that was the Orc Camp. And guess what? It's fucking raining again. It's still roasting and it's raining. That's a weird combination.